Many tourists know Athens and the Greek islands. That's the true Greece, right? But what if I told you there were equally beautiful gems to the north of the country, where influences of the Greek, the Byzantine, and the Ottoman meet, and form a unique experience very worthwhile? I'm Lex Universe, and this is Thessaly and Macedonia. Warning, I'm just having fun. If you're Greek and you are easily offended, please don't watch this video. I will not fight with you. Thank you.
So hello internet, welcome to Lex Universe. I hope you enjoyed our first day in Thessaloniki. I hope you enjoyed the waterfront. It's kind of interesting. I hope that you enjoyed that I managed to offend all the Greeks in the world. And yeah, today I will not even pretend that I will know what will happen in this video, because then I will have to cut again to some explanation. So the goal is to go up there to the Acropolis of Thessaloniki and to visit the castle that you can find there, also a tower, monastery, and basically everything that's on the hill. And hopefully we will all enjoy it, and hopefully the sun will not burn us to ashes. Let's go! So now we are headed towards this monastery or church or castle, I don't know. It has towers, it has walls, everything you aim for. Yeah. This is not it, but I hope we will get there as well. Why do I have a feeling that we're entering somebody's garden? Well, walking the waterfront in Thessaloniki, everyone does that, so of course we're doing something different. Look at that bullshit. I love it. And this is the church, and there is just a normal Greek wedding, right? A lot of balloons. Looks really beautiful, by the way. It's physically impossible to walk here in a straight line. So as you climb up to the Acropolis of Thessaloniki, you can see all the time these remnants of the old city walls. Just kind of wish I could climb up. Yeah, there's unfortunately some kind of a wedding, so at least the videos will be a lot more alive, right?
Most of the landmarks we will visit in this video were built during the Byzantine times. These walls were constructed as a fortification of the medieval Thessaloniki and go as far north as the ancient Acropolis, which is where we are headed now.
And we have reached the local castle or fortress or whatever it is. Let's walk around. So if you want to go inside, there is like the entrance fee €6, and we have absolutely no idea what we can see there, so let's see if it's worth it.
So it's a little bit confusing. I'm not sure what to expect here. But there are some stairs. Let's climb them up. Right, so that looks better. The Byzantine fortress of Heptapyrgion, which in Greek means Fortress of the Seven Towers, is situated above the town at the Acropolis of Thessaloniki. So I haven't actually seen this fortress in any of the guides for Thessaloniki. It's kind of strange. So far it's like one of the most impressive things here. It's totally worth visiting. Like getting up here is a little bit difficult. It's kind of high up on the hill, but there are buses that can take you here. It's kind of interesting. By the way, you pay €6 for the entrance, and you also have entrance to this tower beneath the castle included. I will take you there now. It used to be a prison. You wouldn't say, right? Crossing the streets here, it's rather difficult sometimes. It's a pretty cool staircase, right? It's kind of cool, right? It looks like every apartment here has a balcony. Cool. This is one of the reasons why I love Viewpoints. You can just take the overview of the whole city. See maybe how the people live when you look on the streets, something like that. Really enjoy that. See, I told you we will see a castle or a church or a monastery. Well, as it turns out, I wasn't lying in any of these cases, so it's kind of cool and kind of surprising, to be honest. But I hope you liked it. And of course, it's under reconstruction because, well, they hate me, that's a given. I don't have to mention it anymore because everybody hates me. But it's still kind of nice church, right? So in case you didn't know that, thanks to these two boys, all the Slavs have their language and their alphabet. Because these two guys from Thessaloniki came to the Moravian quasi-state and they introduced the first written language of the Slavs. Yeah, I have no idea how to say it in English, but Staroslovenština in Czech. So the writing system that they created, the Cyrillics, has been used in Eastern Slavic languages ever since, like Russia, Bulgaria, so you can find it over there. So quite important people, at least for us. I mean, they don't mean anything for the Greeks. And here we can see the main religious site in Thessaloniki, the Church of the Holy Wisdom, Hagia Sophia, which is named by the famous temple in Constantinople. I mean, you could see it. There wasn't a sun, so we'll try to walk around it. Numerous of the churches in Thessaloniki can be found on the list of the World Heritage of UNESCO. While we focus on the Hagia Sophia, it is far from being the only one. So this is probably the closest you can get to seeing the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul as it used to look before they built the minarets. I mean, it's a lot smaller and a lot less impressive, but at least it's a church still. While the Byzantines and the Ottomans reshaped the city a lot, there are still remnants of its Roman past, like this Roman Forum. So, and that was the second part of Thessaloniki. I hope you enjoyed it. So as you can see, we have changed the scenery. We are in Slovakian capital of Bratislava. You can see the new bridge behind me, and I really hope you enjoyed our trip to Greece. I will make one more video about northern Greece, about traveling there, about some travel tips, so I hope you will find them interesting. And in case of this video, I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, check out my other social media, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.